25 power of p is equal to q 2000. So find out p 1 by q value. First we can write p is the 2000 and q is the 2000. Can write this is equal to 2000 and this is equal to 2000. And now take the log. So log by p is log 2000. And this side we take the log. So log 10 power of q is the log the 2000. And now this is the here. So p log 25 is the log 2000 and this is the p4 the log t is log 2000. And now this p here, so 1 by p, so there is the log 25 divide the log 1000. This p is this side, so this is here and this log is divided here. So 1 by p is this, and similarly they are the log 80 this, and divide this is here. So log 1000 is 1 by q this, and so this is log 5 and log 1000, and this is here the log 80 and log 2000. This equal to of this. So we LCM this. So log 2000, and this is here the log 25. This log 25 and this is the log 80. And so this is log 25 and log 80. So log 25 into 8, this is 80, multiply. So 25 into 80 multiply. So log 2000, and there is the log 2000. So this value is cut. So this value is 1. So we can write this value is 1.